Hi guys, good evening. It's right now about roughly about 9:45. How are you guys? I hope you are really doing well. You've been following, I'm sure you're following my Telegram channel and what kind of wonderful trades that we are having, right? If you haven't joined my Telegram channel, let me take you there. But before that, let me tell you, agenda of today's video is basically to analyze Nifty today and what could be a possibility tomorrow, right? So that you are ready. Like, I don't know how many of you remember, on Sundays at 5:30 I conduct my quick Q&A session. And I told you very categorically on Sunday that I'm pretty negative for Monday. The market will have profit booking. And I told you very specifically two sectors that I'm actually, very negative about was one of them was the metal sector, the other was the PSU bank. And as you must have seen, Monday there was a heavy selling in both of them. And today my video is again in the same pursuit to, like, I want to make you aware what lies ahead tomorrow so that you are prepared, right? So that you do good trades, right? This is my commitment to you guys. I finish my trading and posting my trades and everything by 3:15, 3:30. Then, go for my go to my institute, and then I've come back at about 8:30. After finishing my dinner, here I am to make you aware what lies ahead tomorrow, right? And I want a commitment from you guys. You have to ensure that you people, if you are making money from our calls and you believe that we are genuinely, you know guiding people and saving people from having losses in the market, please, promote my channel and really, support me in planting trees, right? So let me take you to my channel. I want to just talk to you a little bit on more detail about my channel. So this is my channel, Stock Pro, right? This is my this Stock Pro is my channel. You can, like, this is my this is, at the rate Stock Pro is what you can, tell others to join or share with others. But at the same time, I really want to thank you all, every single person, to really, thank you, because when I started my campaign on 12th of July, we were 14,300 members here, right? And within, a week time, these 1,000 numbers have grown. And these are pure traders, like the people who actually trade in the market, right? And with that, I really am thankful to you guys, because you have actually, you're supporting the cause. You're making a cause for your own life, right? So keep tracking my multi-bagger stocks that I have given. One of them is Narayan Hridayalaya. The other one is Midhani. Midhani, I told you to accumulate at the level of 156, 142, and 120, right? And the stop loss is 90. But you have to keep it for 1 year, or to have a good return from this particular stock. And then I have given a positional stock Indo count, right? And so I really want your support for my cause, and see if you read the comments. These are not people, who have experience of years. They've just started trading, right? Today I bought Bank Nifty one lot and made profit with a margin of 2,600, more than 100%, right? And this is how people have been making money. And this is one of my follower on Telegram. He has made 38,400 on our calls, right? And people talk about covering recovery of fee. I don't want to talk about recovery of money, of fee, because I want to talk about lifelong learning. What you can earn from it, just not recovering your fee. It will be, multiplying your money every single day, right? So I don't want to talk about recovery. Recovery is a minor thing. You should aim for the sun, and you should aim for the moon. And that is what you can get when you learn, right? But just I want to tell you guys to be sure that you don't have red portfolio. If you have red portfolio, just talk to Stock Pro team and take that first step. I've been talking to many people, and they have been just, saying that they are losing money. So here, and there's one person I just spoke to. He said, I have given money to one of my very close friend on a promise that he will 15 lakh rupees. It's not a small sum that he has given, and the money that he got in return is only 50,000, right? So when it is your money, please do not trust anybody. It's your money, it's your responsibility, right? I have no problem with people who cheat, because people are ready to cheat you. But I have problem if you get cheated, right? I have problem with you. Why? Because you take that call whether to give money or not to give money. So I have a problem with you guys. I don't have a problem with the people who cheat, who give you wrong information. I have no problem with them because that's their job. That's how they are earning money. But what are you doing? You're giving them money, right? So I don't want you to do that. I want you to be responsible for your own money and to generate profitable trades yourself. Okay, and if you want to do that, you can go to my website. My website is simply stockprotraining.com. You can contact my team, which is at the rate stockprotein, and just talk to them. Like so many people have joined in the last 1 week. We've been just flooded with people who want to learn. And of course, so these are our 3 courses. So now let me go on to Nifty. Why am I making a video, right? So let's look into Nifty first. Let's look at Nifty technically. So just see here. Let me take a pen. In 15 minutes, Nifty is almost making a head and shoulder pattern, right? A very skewed, a very subtle, but it's definitely a head and shoulder pattern. We should never look into 15 minutes time frame, right? We should never look into 15 minutes time frame, but yet it is a formation of that, and it has broken that head and shoulder pattern nicely. Like this is the place where it has broken, right? Now what am I expecting tomorrow? Let me tell you, market is going to be heading up, right? Tomorrow market is going to be heading up, right? So just be careful. And I'm telling you, Nifty has closed at 10,020, 11,027 or 11,028. Your entry is by opening itself, right? If market opens above 1150, 11,050, you have to, I mean, that's what I'm expecting tomorrow, definitely a gap up opening. And then you have to, the next target that you have, let me tell you what could be your next target so that you are ready for tomorrow morning. So the end, if it opens at, like I'm definitely expecting it to open above, what's the closing price? So it is going to be, your buy is above 11,051, right? I'm talking about futures, I'm not talking about cash. Many people give you cash levels, whereas you should remember one thing, that buying and selling can only happen in the futures. It doesn't happen in the cash, right? So when you are going to trade, you have to look for cash price or future price, right? So this is your level. When it crosses this particular tail, that is when you have to enter. Next target will be 11103 or 11104, right? Somewhere here is your 111 is somewhere here, and 04 is somewhere here, right? This is your next target. This place is your next target. And then if it crosses that, then 11130 is your next target, right? And I still am in the long position. I still am in the long position. I've bought Nifty calls and have not squared them up. So I bought Nifty calls. I bought Nifty calls. I bought 300 calls, and I put a just once order, 55. It did not achieve. It closed well about at about 42 rupees. So I have a continuation of trade tomorrow. The reason is simply that Nifty looks very positive to me, right? Now let me support it with various other reasons. The first reason that I have is that it's taking a good support on 1 hour time frame, right? It's taking a very good support on 1 hour time frame. Then let's go and look into its option chain, right? Let me just refresh it and see what is the settlement data. Look at it. There is call unwinding at almost all the levels. Just see here. Just see here. I mean, everywhere, whether you look at the OTM or you look at the ITM, at least till 11,100, there is complete, call unwinding, right? Let me take a pen and explain you what I mean by that. See from here, all the levels, there is a huge unwinding, right? And the highest unwinding level is right here, right, which is 11,000. And there is put writing happening here, right? That means there is a huge support being built so that Nifty doesn't fall below 11,000, right? So this is a very symbolic, that tomorrow Nifty will be heading up, right? This call and winding at this level, which is 11,100, and an ITM call, which is about 11,000. There's a huge call and winding. It simply indicates that tomorrow market is going to be heading up, right? Please do not short. If you short, then you have to be very sound about it, why you are doing so. And the stock that I have on my radar for buying is, Apollo Tires. Definitely, I did a buying in this today, and I'm still in the buy side of this particular stock, right? I still am going to be on buy side of this particular stock, and I'm going to give you the right. Uh, what I have to do is, what we have to do is, I'm going to give you these levels on my Telegram channel, right? So really request you guys to please promote my channel so that you get the right, you know, trades and accurate, um, accurate trades and accurate research, right? I hope you have gone through our research today. We were on sell side in IndusInd Bank and buy side on Apollo Tires, right? If you see here, in IndusInd Bank, we were on sell and our T2 was 19892, and then Apollo Tires, our T1 and T2 were here. Let me just show you what happened in Apollo Tires. Apollo Tires almost touch our target, right? T2 was about to touch, and similarly, let me show you what happened in IndusInd Bank. It went down to exactly our target. Can you see, please, the precision of our target? 1892. It went up to 1892, and what was my, um, you know, level here? 1892. Exactly. Like, how can it be so precise? Just imagine. This is the accuracy with which we give, and slowly we're going to be giving you the time as well. When is your trade going to be materialized, right? We're going to give you exact timing of entry and exact timing of exit. So just wait and watch for tomorrow's, and be active on my Telegram channel at about 8:50 or 9. You will get the new stocks from my side. I'm going to definitely buy in Apollo Tires. That's one stock definitely on my radar, and there are many more which I will be sharing tomorrow. So guys, looking at everything, looking at the option chain, looking at the, the graph, the technicals, I'm finding Nifty very positive, right? That's the reason I'm making this video, so that you all are at least mint some money tomorrow along with me, right? So take care guys, good night. We meet tomorrow morning and create very solid, rock solid, profitable trades, right? I really want to promise from you guys that we will not allow anybody to have red portfolio, right? I need your support. I need your, you know, complete support so that I can, succeed in my mission, right? So guys, take care. And the only thing that we have to wait for Apollo Tires to enter is the massive resistance that has at about 280. So once the 280 is crossed, it is just going to be in upward trend, right? So take care. Good night. Tomorrow we'll meet morning right at about 8:50 and 9:15 and have a profitable trade tomorrow. Good day. Bye bye.